Today, I brought you a homemade disinfectant. In addition to being very cheap, it is non-toxic and can be used in household items, vegetables, greens and others. Take the paper and pen to write everything down. And tell me what city you're watching this video from. Then I'll thank you for commenting. The ingredients are 30 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide, 10 volumes. 970 milliliters of water, almost 1 liter. And finally, apple cider vinegar to taste. You will add the 30 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide into the 970 milliliters of normal water. Then just put it in a sprayer and you already have the first solution. As I only have one sprayer here, I'm going to do the demonstration with pure vinegar. I'm going to put white apple cider vinegar in this spray bottle. Just the vinegar. You might ask, why don't I mix everything up to make it easier? It's simple. All the ingredients together would have 10 times less action than this way I'm going to show you. I have some vegetables here. You can do it with vegetables too. First you will wash these vegetables under running water to make them clean. So just spray the 2 solutions. You can start with any one. After that, you don't need to wash or do anything anymore. These vegetables, after this procedure, are ready for use. Don't worry that the solutions are tasteless, as the hydrogen peroxide will degrade into oxygen and water. Apple cider vinegar, on the other hand, is milder and won't leave a taste in food. You can also use these solutions on cutting boards, plates, and other kitchen utensils that you feel need to be disinfected. I hope you use and abuse these solutions a lot. I'm sure it will be very useful. Guys, I would like to share a message that is in Romans chapter 8 verse 31. What then shall we say to these things? If God is for us, who can be against us? Paul advises us to have confidence in God's grace, through Jesus, for all suffering can be endured. Even afflictions work together for good to those who love God. The Christian need not fear anyone because by faith, he will share in the glory of Christ. In everything that happens in this life, be sure, God is by your side and there is nothing and no one that can separate us from the love of God. See you in the next video. Bye bye.